Make sure it's square. Okay, now that the boards are already done, now it's time to paint them, to customize them. Like I said in my first video, you can, this is unlimited. You can do anything you want with them. You can just paint them white, varnish them, you're done. But if you want it, you're personalized, I'm going to wood, the birch wood here, so I'm going to keep some of this grain, so I'm going to show you how I did that, how you tape it off. You can. Okay, now we're going to paint. We're going to, like I said, we're going to paint these boards blue and yellow. My granddaughter, Alana, the one that's always behind my videos, recording, she's going to help me out with this project. So you can customize these cornhole boards any way you like. Now, I'm going to customize mine with the blue and gold color. Okay, now on the second board, I'm painting it the opposite colors. So where my yellow is on the first board, my blue is on the second board. Okay, now it's the next day. We're going to go ahead and take the paper off. See how I painted the opposite? Whatever is blue on this board is yellow on that board. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put a border here. So I already did my measurements. Border here is going to be the blue, it's going to wrap around. Same on here. This one here is going to be yellow or gold. However you. Okay, I'm going to do a border. Now I'm doing my border. I already got it taped off. One for my yellow, one for my blue. That's pretty much my painting. Now I'm going. Now we're ready to stain these. Okay, I'm done with my staining. Now I'm going to put my logos on here.